I would like to thank you for the professional manner in which your firm conducted itself throughout the entire transaction. Your secretary Andrea scheduled and rescheduled all the work in an efficient manner and was extremely helpful and courteous in all of our telephone conversations. Your crew showed up when they said they would, something rather unique in my many years of dealing with asphalt pavers, and Jimmy, your job foreman, was top-notch. I will be more than happy to recommend your firm to my friends and neighbors. Thanking you again for a job well done at a reasonable price, I am, sincerely, J.E.V., Nokesville, Virginia.
Mr. Houston, we are very pleased with our new driveway. Your crew was very diligent and polite. Please feel free to use this as a reference anytime in the future. D.E. and P.E. from Clifton, Virginia.
Mr. Houston, I'm writing to thank you and the paving team from your company that recently paved my driveway involving 6,500 square feet. The team was very efficient, well coordinated, and enthusiastic. I was amazed at how smoothly and quickly the whole operation was completed. The team arrived on time, went right to work, and they were highly skilled. Many thanks for a job well done. I will recommend your company to anybody looking for a professional paving company. Sincerely, W.J.B., Great Falls, Virginia.
Dear Wayne, enclosed is payment for our driveway. I will be sending a glowing report of your work to Home Connections. It is hard to believe that we first met with you on Saturday and by Wednesday our driveway was finished. Since I also own a business, that kind of efficiency really saved me a lot of headaches. Thank you, KMK, Alexandria, Virginia.
Dear Wayne, I would like to express my appreciation to you for our excellent driveway. Anyone who saw the before and after conditions can attest to the significant improvement. Please do not hesitate to use me as a reference that will attest to the quality and value of your work. We look forward to seeing you in the future. Sincerely, LCM, Arlington, Virginia.